Hi, welcome to Ask Chef Gilles, part 22. So today we will talk about portion size again, but in restaurants. I think for a starter or soup, 120 to 150 gram. Then your main course will add up probably 350 gram with maybe 150 gram meat, 100 gram starch and 50 gram of vegetables. Your dessert, standard size for dessert, is about same 120 to 150 gram. Most of the time, meat or fish, beef, usually people eat a little bit bigger piece of beef. If it's a very nice beef and there's no fat around or anything, a nice tenderloin is about standard size 160 gram. If you have a sirloin where you have a bit fat on the outside, people usually cut, it's usually 200, 220 gram. Or if you're a big meat eater, then you can go up to 250 or 300 gram. For fish, the standard size in a restaurant is 150 gram, 140 to 150 gram. So this, if you have several courses, if instead of 3 courses you have a 5 or 6 course dinner, of course the portions for each course will be smaller and smaller the more you increase the courses. Total will still be anywhere between 500 to 600 gram, even if you have a 12 course meal or 15 course meal. There's only so much you can eat, so the portions will get smaller and smaller the more you increase.